Yeah, okay. Uh, Please confirm, is it visible or not?
Yeah, it's coming up now. Yeah, it's up. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. As everyone knows, uh, like in yesterday's class, you learned Python basics, but we'll just get a quick overview of Python fundamentals once again. Okay. In today's class, we'll learn about what is Python, the case sensitive, why it is case sensitive, indentation. Then we jumped on some practical use cases of Python, some hands-on practice on Python basics, like variables and data types, basic operations like arithmetic operations, mathematical operations, conditional operators we can use. Then we will have input and output functions also. We can also, okay, someone is waiting in the lobby. Okay, wait, just for a minute. One is joined. Okay. Should I wait for a minute or a few minutes? Like people are continuously joining and they are disturbing in between. Okay. So today's agenda is Python basics. We mostly do a hands-on practice, and yeah, tomorrow's session will be some advanced Python uh, hands-on practice. We can jump on conditional statements and loops, and also built-in functions. We can see in tomorrow's session. Okay, let's. What is Python? You already know that it is a general purpose programming language. It is easy to use. It is open source. It is versatile and beginner friendly language. You can use Python for web development, data analysis, machine learning, software testing, and also for building AI agents, right? Please be talk. Hello, I'm audible now.
Yes, Sajid.
Yeah, okay. So Python is versatile because you can use Python for web development, data analysis, machine learning, and in like today's trend like AI, you can use for building AI models, AI agents. You can use Python for that also. Okay. What is case sensitive? Case sensitive means, as you can see, uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. That's why it is case sensitive. For example, I'll show you one thing here. Google. Please let me know if my screen is visible or not, because sometimes it gets stuck. Right. Okay, so case sensitive. Case sensitive means what? uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. It means if your variable name is variable, suppose uh, in the small letters, we have var means variable, and then again we have var equals suppose data or something like that, and we will print both the statements like var and this one. Okay. It is connecting, still connecting. It is connected.
Hi,
As you
Sajid.
can,
Can you help zoom in a bit for some of us? Yeah,
okay,
yeah. Thank you.
now it's
Yeah,
clear.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay. As you can see here, the our first variable in lower cases, it takes as a different variable, and our second variable has the same name, just start with uppercase. That's why it treated as different, and we print both the variables. As you can see here, Sajid is a different variable and data arc is a different variable. So that is case sensitive, right? Is it clear? What is case sensitive? Please turn on your mic and let me know everything is you
Yes,
understood or not.
yes.
Okay. Okay, what is indentation then? Indentation in Python is a code block. In other languages such as Java and C sharp or C, we use curly braces. But in Python, we use indentation. Basically, it is a tab or four spaces. Okay, suppose uh, this is our just a condition statement. We will cover this tomorrow, but just take a look. Suppose var if var equals such. Okay, then the gap, this gap means indentation. Okay, just keep in mind that this gap is indentation. Okay, then print yes. Okay, it is printing yes, as you can see. And if I remove the indentation, then this line is a separate line and this print statement is a separate statement. But because it is a block, it is a whole block, we have to give the indentation. Indentation means it is a complete one block. That's why it prints, it checks condition and then printing the values like S in here. So indentation is used only for code block. Is it clear? Hello. I can see. Hello. Just let me know. Turn on your mic and let me know you are
Yeah, yeah, that's clear.
understood. Or
I hear you.
hello. Yes. Do you
We
have
can
any
hear you. We can hear
questions?
you.
Do you have any questions up till here? Like you understood case sensitivity and indentation?
Yeah, that's clear.
Okay. Let's move forward.
Yeah,
Sorry,
you can
sorry.
contribute again.
Can you
Hello.
please go over the case sensitive again? Yes.
Case sensitivity, right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I have two variables with same name. Okay. Suppose number equals 1 Just look at the spelling variable, okay? And I have another spelling that is number. Spelling is both spellings are right, okay? The both are same, but the difference between both the both the values, both the variable names are, it is first variable written in lower cases and the another variable written in like uh, start with uppercase and then other letters are in lowercase. Okay, suppose this is 100. Okay, then print number. It will print the first one. Spelling, the both the variable are same, but the because of lowercase and uppercase, it differentiate and treated as different variables. That is case sensitive. Okay, it prints number over here. Again, print here number. It takes the second variable.
Yeah, okay, very clear. Thanks so much.
Yeah, the only as you can see here, Python is a case sensitive programming language. It treats uppercase and lowercase letters differently. Means suppose well, let me show you another example. Okay. Fruit equals banana. Another fruit equals apple. Okay. Print fruit. We are printing fruit. Could you please tell me which fruit it will show here? It will which fruit it will print on terminal?
It will print both
Apple.
banana and apple.
Banana.
Right. It will print banana and then now, sorry, wait. Now which fruit it will print? Please tell me.
Apple.
Apple. Right. So that is the difference. That is the only difference. Suppose we have another fruit, right? Some pineapple. Okay. And our spelling is like this also differentiate the other variables, right? This is different, this is different, this is different because of the case sensitivity. Like this this fruit have no uppercase letters. This has one uppercase letter. This also have one uppercase letter, but the letter is different. That's why it prints the different variable values. Suppose prints this one and this one. Now give me the answer for this. What it will print for first one?
To print apple.
And the third one?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay. And the second one?
Banana.
No. So for second one, it will print pineapple, and the last one, it will print banana. Let me show you.
Second one is pineapple.
Sorry.
The second one is pineapple.
Yeah, second one is pineapple, and third one is banana.
Yes, because it has the capital T at the end of the fruit.
Yeah. So you can create number of variables using uppercase and lowercase letters. Again, we can add like fruit, something like this. This will also a different different spelling, like you can see. This spelling is different. This is different. This is different. This is different. You can also write it like this. UI is in uppercase letter, other are in lowercase letters. So this will print mango. like this. Now it is clear. If you have any
Yes.
question, then again you can ask. I'll
Please explain
let-
the indentation, please.
yeah, the case sensitive is done for everyone. Understood? Just let me know if you have any question, then I'll cover it. Okay, okay. Okay, so let's move forward here. Now indentation. Indentation is nothing but a code block. Suppose like, okay. Okay. This is a block, right? Everything written here, it is a block. Suppose I use print statement. I use if block, if or equals 1, right? Print. Something like that. Okay. Suppose I'll remove this and yeah, this is a block, right? This is a block inside uh, inside this block. It is a conditional statement. Okay. So it will return only this, only print 1. I have another code over here that is print 1. It is outside of that block. Okay. So indentation is nothing but it it creates differentiation between the other statements and the whole code block. That is the only difference. I'll explain in easier way. That is, suppose I have print statement. Okay. Welcome to the session. Right. I have this print statement. It will print as it is, right? Suppose I have a conditional statement. Suppose if I'll create one variable. Suppose fruit equals apple. Okay. If fruit equals apple, and then print yes, yes, it is apple. Right. It will throw an error. What is it? What is the error? Indentation error. Because the indentation means it is not completing that if condition if block, right? If block mean if block is started from here and ended here, right? If block started from here and ended here, there is a print statement is a separate statement. If you want to create a continuous block for that if statement, you need to indent the print statement, like using the pressing the tab key or just enter after the colon. That is indentation. Indentation is nothing but a code block. It represents the whole code from if till print statement. If I put print, this is not an indentation. Okay. Now this will print. This is not an indentation. Okay. Because the first statement is outside the block. The second statement, that is if statement, it has the indented block. It means fruit variable checks apple fruit check. Sorry for the background. Hello. Could you please? Hello.
Yes, they call. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Indentation means it completes the whole if block. Indentation we will cover next because indentation mostly used in loops, if statements and functions. And today's class not for that one. So if you understood indentation, like if you understood the indentation, then well and good. If you not understood, then we will cover tomorrow because we will cover if statements, loops, and functions tomorrow. Okay. Indentation is nothing but just leading spaces, white spaces, or just it is just a four spaces, something like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use four spaces, but sometimes like in like Colab and Jupyter Notebook, it will take just two spaces, or sometimes it just uses tabs. Okay, so indentation is nothing but a leading spaces, and it is mostly used in code blocks. Okay, print statement is not a block. If statement is a block because it starts from here and ends here. Okay. For better understanding, I'll give you some examples after the session, after this session. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, we'll make it brief. Okay. Okay, now we move on Python basics. Variables. What is variable? Variables is nothing but a container to store values or elements or data, whatever you can call it. Okay. Just ignore this one. Just ignore this one. Okay. Variables are used to store values. Right. As you saw, as you can see here, number equals 1. This is a variable name. Okay, and this is data. It allocates the it allocates some random name. You can give name, obviously. You can give the logical name for your data. Suppose if you print 1, then it will print 1. Or you can print number, then also it will print 1. Because number equals 1 means number is represent as 1. Okay. Variables is nothing but a container to store the data values or elements. Okay. Variables are clear. It just stores the value or data. Hello.
Yes, that's clear.
Okay. So there are some like limitations while writing the variable name. Okay. So if you cannot start variable with numbers. Okay. That is only limitations, or any characters like dot, hyphen, something like that. Okay. These are some limitations. Okay. Got it? Yes or no? I'll give the example. Okay. One number equals 1. Here you can see the red line because it has error. Okay. What is the error? Just hover it, or let me let me print the value, then it will give me the little syntax error. Okay, invalid decimal literal. It means you cannot start your variable with number. Okay, let's try hyphen. Let me run again. You cannot start with hyphen also. Okay. Cannot assign to expression here. Maybe you mean this or instead of this. Okay, you cannot add hyphen also. You can add underscore, right? You can add underscore, just like this one. Okay, you can write your, well, you can write text. You can write variable name using alphabets and underscore. Underscore. Okay, you can start. You can write or to start. You can start your variable name, alphabets and underscore. Okay, but if if you want to add numbers, then there is a technique to add numbers, like after the variable, after one alphabet you can add number also, like number. Okay, then this will valid variable name. Just the difference between valid variable name and invalid variable name is you cannot start your variable with other special characters and the numbers. You can, otherwise you can write variable names as you want. You can start with capital letters, you can start with small letters, you can start with underscore, whatever it is. And after starting underscore, you can add numbers also. Okay, you can add whatever you want, like something like that. You can add whatever, but do not start a variable name with numbers and other special character except underscore. Okay, it is clear. Variables.
Yes.
Everyone, can you please turn on your mic and let me know you understood or not?
Yes, we understood.
What is the purpose of the double
Yes.
equal sign? Okay. Please, why there are why is there double quotation mark for some string, while some have one quotation mark? Okay, the both works. Yeah, Priyanka gave you answer. What is the purpose of double equal sign? Double equal sign is used to. Okay, I'll let you know. I'll tell you. Wait. This is for assigning. Okay. So this is for assigning variables. Okay. This mostly used for assigning variables and for taking the conditional, like conditions like what? Less than, then greater than, then less than equal, then greater than equal, or double equal. This means equal. Suppose this is like A equal A. So A is equal to A. Both are same. But if you assign this, then it is a A is a variable, and the value of A variable is A itself. Okay, this is the assigning variable mostly used for variables, and these are the operators, the conditional operators you can use in if-else statements and in like loops and all for checking conditions. Okay, this is the basic difference. This is for assigning, and this is for, it is a conditional statement. It checks A. So suppose fruits equals apple. It checks fruits. If fruit equals to apple means fruits equal apple, then you can, if it is true, suppose if this statement is true, then return something. Okay, if this statement is true, then return something. I'll use fruit. Okay, then return yes, it is apple. Because of this. Okay, because here we put, as you can see, check the variable name. If fruit equals apple, then it will print yes, it is apple. If fruit equal banana, then it will print nothing, because fruit equal banana is not the correct statement. Okay, now it is clear why we use this sign. Just ignore the if statement. Just let me know you understood this sign or not. Hello. Is it clear?
Yeah, Sajid, can you please differentiate the
Or it's
difference
not clear.
between one equal sign and the double equal sign? Are they the same?
Equal sign and double equal sign, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So it just equal sign is used for assigning variables. Is it clear? Single equal
Yes.
sign is used for assigning variables. Like
The
this.
double equal sign. What about, yeah, that is clear.
Okay. And double equal sign is used for checking the conditions. Okay.
Oh, that's noted. It's okay.
Checking condition. Now it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. So one more basic thing that I forgot to tell you. Comments. Okay. Comments is nothing but it is ignored by the Python. It is not executes. It is not executes. It is used for documentation. Okay. Suppose. Wait. Could you please wait for a minute? I have. Hello. I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Sure.
Yeah. Uh, Comments means it is used for documentation. Something like is if condition. Okay, this is the if condition. Okay, this is the comment. It is ignored by the Python interpreter. Could you please turn on your mic? Hello. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. This is comment. There are two types of comments: single line comment and multi-line comment. This is a single line comment. We use hash before the string or before the sentence, right? We will start our comment with hash. Then whatever we write, it is not executed by the Python. This is the single line comment. This is a single line comment. Okay. And there is also another comment, multi-line comment. We use single or double inverted comma for that. Both are fine. Is a multi-line comment. Okay. So this also ignored by the Python, and this also ignored by the Python. It is only used for documentation. Is it clear now? We can use this comment. Sorry. Like this. Okay, this is also a comment. Is it clear?
It's clear.
It is only used for documentation. Yeah. Okay, naming rules, we covered that, like start with letter or underscore and followed by letter, number and underscores. Okay, case sensitive, age and age both are spelling are same, but both are different because it starts with lowercase and it starts with uppercase. So both are, it creates a differentiation between both the variable names. You can use snake case, that is the word is, suppose your variable name is too long, something like decimal number. You cannot write your variable name like this. Okay, either you can start this, you can write it like this, or you can write it like this. Okay, this is a snake case, this is a camel case. For is it clear? Do not write your variable names space separated. You can use underscore or you can write it like this. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Thank you.
Okay. Till here, do you have any questions? Or we can move forward. Just turn on your mic and just let me know everyone is is on same page.
Let's move forward.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the just okay. Now this is a data type. Okay, data types. Now in Python, there are 4 types of data, like 4 data types. number, text, Boolean value, decimal value, and Boolean. Boolean means true or false. Okay. This is clear. There are 4 types of data, like 4 data types in Python. I'll assign it in a variable number, then name equals Sajid. Then suppose marks equals suppose 78.90 and is student two. Yeah. These are the 4 data types. For checking the data types, you can print type and then the variable name. Right? For checking, like as you can see, the first data type is integer data type. Okay. Second data type is a string data type, means text values. Third data type is a float value, means decimal numbers. And fourth one is a Boolean value, means true or false. Okay, Boolean value true or false. The first letter is capital. Always it is capital. If it is true, then T is capital. If it is false, then F is capital. Okay. It is clear. Data types.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now there are 3 more data types. That is, those are like list, tuple, dictionary. Okay, these are 4 data types. Okay, I'll cover it in after some time. Okay. Now, as you can see here, just ignore the list one. Let's see. Int means whole numbers, positive numbers or negative numbers. Float means decimal numbers like 3.5 or some whatever it is. String means text in quotes, whether it is in single quotes or double quotes. Boolean value means true or false. Always remember that it starts with capital letters. If it is true, then T capital. If it is false, then F it is capital. Okay. Okay. Now I'll give you a list. Okay. Fruits. Use is a list. Okay. Fruit is apple. Banana. Okay. We have 2 fruits. Now you can add as many list items. You can add it like this one, like suppose pineapple. Okay, you can add more if you want, but we will cover it first of all. You can print here. I print the fruits, the whole variable with the list of fruits is printed as it is. Then second, I print the type of that fruit variable. The type is list. Is it clear?
Yes.
list. Okay.
Yes.
Same example I'll give you for tuple. Okay. What is tuple? And I'll give you the difference between both. This is the tuple. Okay. The difference between both the things, both in like, okay, wait up. This is tuple and this is list. It is only differentiate, like it is only, what can I say? It is right in a square brackets and it is tuple is written in parentheses. That is the only difference. Okay. And mm, other difference are like it is mutable. Mutable means you can add it as many uh, like elements in a list, but in tuple you cannot add other elements. You can add it like this. Suppose you can add it like this, like grapes. But you can add it like this over here also, but you cannot add with using the insert method. That is like this fruit dot insert or sorry, append. Append is a method we can add. We can use to add some values to the list. Suppose, give me one fruit name. And
Mango.
Mango.
yeah, mango. Okay. What it is? String attribute has. Oh, sorry. Fruits. Yeah. Now it's clear. Now it is printed here. I'll print once again. Right, it is added, as you can see. Now it's clear. It is a method which adds more items to the list. Okay. Is it clear? We will cover more functions and methods for the list in like tomorrow's session, but just clear the basics first. That is, we can create list some using square brackets, and we can create tuple using parentheses. This is the basic thing. Okay, you can append mango using append method, but we cannot use same method for tuple. For that, we have to convert this tuple into list. Then we can add items to that list and then again convert to the tuple. So it is like this one. It okay. Tuple. Then we have to convert this tuple into list for other operations, and then again tuple. Okay. First we have tuple like this one. Like this one. Okay. This is the tuple. And we have to convert it into list. So how we convert, we can see that in tomorrow's class, but just keep in mind that we have to convert tuple first. We have to convert tuple into list. Then we can add list operations on that. Then again we have to we will convert it into tuple. That's how it works. Otherwise, it tuple is immutable. You cannot directly add or delete something from that. You can delete, but you cannot add. Okay, that is the basic operation. We can see like we will add more items in list. Suppose and like okay. Now two fruits are added, but if I use same techniques to append, it will throw an error. Okay. What is the error? Tuple object has no attribute append because it is immutable. Immutable means you cannot change the existing list. Here, here you can see list. List means ordered. Ordered means it is print. It is printed as it is. Like start with apple, then banana, pineapple, grapes. Then I'll added mango in it. Then guava. So it is written as it is. That's why it is ordered collection of data. Okay. Is it clear why it is ordered?
Yes.
Okay. The second thing about list is mutable. Mutable means changeable. Okay, changeable means we can add more items or elements using list methods. Okay, and these are the list methods. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Yes.
If you have questions, please ask. Let's have a very good foundation. I think the question I would like to ask is, can you just tell us the distinct difference between tuple and list?
Tuple and list. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Okay. So everyone understood what is tuple and list. If you have any question, then could you please ask, and otherwise we will go further. Do you have any questions? It is quite late in India, so please be quick. It is already 11:30 in night, 11:30 p.m. in India. Could you please make it quick as possible, as quick as possible? It is clear, list and tuple. Do not worry about methods. We will cover tomorrow because tomorrow we will start quite early. Yeah, tomorrow we will take it quite long for that. We will cover all the methods, all functions and all. Till here, everything is understood. Everything is clear.
Yes. For now.
Okay. Just I'll there is one more data type, that is a dictionary. We will cover tomorrow. Okay. A dictionary is nothing but a key value pair. Suppose art, like suppose I have a dictionary. Okay. Dictionary is nothing but like original dictionary that which is about our words and all. It is it has key and their meaning, right? It has original word like moonstruck and their meaning,
Most.
something like that. Dictionary is nothing but so or let's say student. Name equals Sajid. Age equals 25.
P.
And sorry, and now equals this. Sorry, what happened? Expression cannot be accepted. Yeah. Okay. Wait. E and 4. Wait. Student it equals starts with curly brackets. Okay. Name equals. Okay. Yeah, it is right, but why it is giving me the error? Why name? Okay. Instead of this, maybe no, no. Everything is right, then why it is okay? We will see tomorrow why it is giving the error. We'll see tomorrow. Okay. I'll cover it in today we will I'll cover. Yeah, it is stuck. Okay, wait. I'll use notepad. Laptop is going to be okay. Today I'll cover variables, data types, okay, indentation, case sensitive, right? These things only. Now, quickly we can go for mathematical operations. Then we will wrap up the session. Math, math operations. Okay. Then we will wrap up the session and we will cover other things tomorrow. Okay, I have A equals 1 or let's say 10, B equals let's say 50. Okay, and what is mathematical operations? Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Like it is a power or and it is like I forgot, but we mostly do not use this. It it is used for remainder. Okay, I'll give you the idea whatever it is. Okay, for addition. Okay, print a plus b. Okay, it will print the addition 60. Okay, minus 40. Okay, multiplication 500. Right, division. Okay, 0.2, 0.2. Okay, then this it will return 0. Okay, why it is 0? If I take it 50 and this is suppose 10, then it will be verified. Okay, now as you can see, it will remove the remainder. Suppose it is 49. 49. Yeah, this is the actual value. And if I with 6, yeah, it will remove the decimal places only, give you the actual value. That's it. And the This is the modulus. It will return the remainder. Yeah. This it will the modulus return the remainder. The remainder is 1, and it is used for power. Like suppose 2 to the power of 2 means square of 2. So yeah, here you can see this is the basic arithmetic operations. It is clear. Just use this one for now, and this one, or as a beginner, just use these 4 basic operations, and for your task, your task is to create calculator using Python. Okay, give something like that, and you can add print functions something like this also. Use the sum or addition of comma a comma and comma b is this, like something like it. You can use this thing. Yeah, the addition of 2 and 2 is 4. You can add this technique also, or there is one more technique to. Sorry, this is quite disturbing. Gemini. No, why it is always started. Provisions. Yeah, assistance. Yeah, okay. Okay. Is one more print. Let's say name equals Sajid. Print my name is, then comma, and then variable name. Then it will print my name is Sajid. Okay. This is the output method. Output function, we can say. Print is the output function. And for input function, we can dynamically take the user input. Okay. Like input, simply input, and then you can add whatever you want, like enter your name in semicolon and space. Okay. Then it will ask you for enter your name. Okay, wait. Why it is not giving me the. This is basically it is a input function. Yeah, why it takes too long. It takes too long. My screen got stuck again. Yeah. Here you can put name like Paul. Then my name is Paul. This is the input function, and this is the output function. Clear? Please open your mic and
Yes.
because it is, as you can see, it is too late in India. Please tell me everything is clear till here. Like basic arithmetic operations is clear.
Yes.
Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations are like plus, minus, uh, multiplication, and division. These are the basic, and create calculator using these operators. I'll cover uh, other operators tomorrow. Okay. Then I'll cover input and output function. Okay. This is clear. Output function is nothing but a print statement, and the input function is itself is a input function, like that. Okay. And tomorrow I'll cover string methods, list method, tuple method, and dictionary. Okay, these are the basic operations. Like integer data type, we can have uh, positive and negative integers. Then float means decimal numbers. String means numerical, or sorry, string means text data, and booleans mean true or false. Okay, tomorrow we will cover Python list, like how to create list, access, add items to list, update, remove, and iterate. Same for tuple as well. How to create tuple, how to access tuple items, iterate, how to add, remove, or update tuple. Then Python dictionary, how to create dictionaries, access dictionaries, and all. And here are the basic operations we saw. This is a floor division. Yeah, it is floor division. It is modulus, and it is exponentiation. It means the in this example, 15 is a power 15 to the power of 4. Okay, the meaning of this. So it is like, wait, the this means, suppose I have 2 and 4. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is like that. Okay. So you can write it like this or this. Both are same. Okay. It is clear. Exponentiation.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. This is the basic arithmetic operations. Uh, Python arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, we will cover comparison operators, then logical operators, and this is the input and output function, right? You can see output using print in Python. This function allows us to display text, variable, and expression on the console. And input function takes the user input. That is the only way. These are the comments. These are single line comment and multi-line comment. Also called docstring. Docstring means a documentation. Okay. Yeah. Uh, Today's session is we will stop here. And do we have any questions? Then ask. I'll cover in few minutes, and then we can wrap up the session. I'll stop the screen. Yeah. Thank you for joining the session. Okay.
All right, Sajid. Thank you very much for this section. I know it's really a great sacrifice from your hand. As we speak right now, we should be like midnight in India. Thank you
Yeah.
for creating this time for us.
Yeah.
So we
Okay.
are hoping to have a very good time tomorrow. That's why we'll be starting very early by 3 p.m. Nigeria time tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, like I
Yeah.
mentioned yesterday, for those of us that are on the call, that the beginning will not look at the excitement that you have. So, but you need to just learn it. Take your time to go through whatever you have learned today. So, Sajik will also be
Yeah.
needing a copy of this notebook. Please share with us so we can share with the students on the WhatsApp group so everyone can just go practice whatever. The code is there for you. Just run the code one by one again. I know some of us will be having problem with running the code. So these are some of the things we want to hear tomorrow at the beginning of the class. Then he can then round up his own section with us. I hope we have learned something today. If you have, can you come up with thumbs up or anything? Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. We so much appreciate you. So see you tomorrow. Thank you, everybody.
Hello, Samuel. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. I'll share the file in your on your WhatsApp. Could you please check and let me know it is there or not?
All right, I will communicate that with you. I'll communicate that with you. All right, thank you, everybody. Please, we meet 3 p.m. Nigeria time tomorrow.
Yeah. So we will connect tomorrow. Okay. And cover all your doubts and all the other things.